Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been quite stable for the crypto market. Why am I using that word even though the market has been extremely volatile? Well, if you compare it to stock market, commodities market, and the currency market, you come to realize that the Trump tariffs impact on crypto market has been very minimal as compared to the other markets. There are some people on Twitter which are calling the stock market today a shitcoin market. That should give you a little bit of perspective how well the crypto market is actually holding itself together. Especially if you talk about Bitcoin, you can see that it's still not fallen out of the demand zone and not fallen under 80,000. Even though we got $500 million worth of crypto liquidations, Bitcoin is still holding its price very well, which is actually close to 82,000. If we're able to see a little bit of consolidation, the recovery will be very quick. At the same time, Dogecoin is at a make or break level. If 16 cents holds, a rally to 57 cents could follow. If it fails, 6 cents might become likely. And miners have sold over 1,500 Bitcoin just in the past week, while analysts say new Dogecoin all-time high possible. Don't be fooled by the news. And Democrats sound an alarm over Trump's crypto play, question SEC's soft stance towards crypto, and Latin America's biggest bank considers in-house real stablecoin. So there's a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, and especially turn on your notification so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. And while you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are going to be paying attention to the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up, the user engagement goes up, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the price movement that actually Dogecoin is following, just to give you a little bit of perspective. Now, first of all, if you see Apple, Tesla, ASML, some big companies, but all of them are down about 5 to 10%. On the other end, something similar was the story when it comes to commodities, like oil was down, gold, silver. And then if you compare that to the crypto market, yes, we did come down a little bit, which is from like 16.2 to like 15.6. That's close to, you can say, 4 to 5% decrease in the crypto market. 4 to 5% is not a significant move. So that should give you perspective that the tariffs did impact a lot of things around the world, especially the stock market, but the crypto market was able to get through it quite easily. And the best way to describe that is simply saying US Senate votes to terminate Trump's tariffs on Canada. Let me tell you one thing, once the tariffs are live, there's going to be a lot of backlash that will be happening, and maybe over time the tariffs might be softened, and if they do get softened, it's obviously going to allow for the markets to recover slowly. And a 6 trillion asset manager launches a retirement plan allowing for a direct crypto investment, while 19,000 bitcoins was sold by short-term holders last night. So that should give you perspective. Even though 19,000 bitcoin were sold, Bitcoin is still sustained its price very well, and you can see that majority of the people who are holding Bitcoin are sticking to the same idea, which is buy the dip. And after the sell-off, there was a little bit of buying and then another sell-off, and you can see we found the support, and clearly we're making a recovery. Therefore, Bitcoin and the crypto market definitely will be making a recovery a lot faster when you compare it to currency or you compare it to commodities. Another thing is this one. This is a really interesting take. The Trump family's financial stake in World Liberty Financial represents an unprecedented conflict of interest. The letter states warning Trump's White House could steer agencies like SEC to protect personal business venture, including this recently launched USD1 stablecoin. So if this case goes through properly, it does make a very interesting take, because obviously there is a lot of softer stance when it comes to crypto, and even SEC has been in favor of crypto for many of the different reasons. And a lot of, let's just say the Democrats are saying there is a little bit of a reason that this could be due to Trump just trying to make profit for his own family. Now, the largest bank of Brazil is now looking into getting a stablecoin. It is exploring creation of a real pegged stablecoin as it awaits regulatory clarity from the central bank ongoing public Now, this is really interesting because obviously more and more banks are going to get involved with stable coins, and obviously more competition is going to be better to ensure the safety of the people's money. And will accumulate 220 million Doge as Dogecoin approaches a critical support level and technical buy signal emerges. And you can see that it's already making a recovery from 16 cents to ensure that it's able to actually stay close to this support zone. And experts say Dogecoin is at a make or break level, and it's very similar, 57 cents or 6 cents, that's the way to go. And Ripple or Dogecoin, top investors choose a superior crypto to buy. I mean, if you just look at the overall idea, both of them has a very good potential to climb, but XRP does have more utility to back itself, and that's why there is a lot of support that's actually holding XRP above $2. And OKX appoints a new general counsel as part of the global expansion strategy. I mean, as more and more companies around the world which are related to crypto are going to try to expand, it's obviously going to be much better as people are going to be more interested in the crypto market. Now, Trump's tariffs announcement swept 500 million from the crypto market as Bitcoin and Ethereum prices plunged sharply. These included minimum 10% duties on all importers, with the higher rates for key partners like China, Japan, and European Union. And it's going to be very important to ensure that the crypto market is able to hold still. Now, a lot of people are estimating that, the crypto market did see a really strong pullback. I mean, yes, it was very volatile yesterday, but you do need to understand that after being extremely volatile, still being able to maintain its momentum is exactly what I'm talking about. If we're not able to maintain this momentum, well, there's a very strong chance that we can break under 80,000. But currently you can see that the whales are trying to maintain the Bitcoin price above 80,000 so we can stay in the bull market that we're currently in. And lawmakers urge SEC to preserve records on Trump linked crypto firms. And this is very interesting because obviously whether this conflict of interest may be interfering with its mission to protect investors and maintain fair and orderly markets. And if Trump is able to control the market using the powers that he has, that's not going to be very good. And Trump tariffs speech ignores the crypto, triggers Bitcoin price dip, but it's still able to sustain it. And Bitcoin drops 5% as Trump tariffs stroke trade war and recession fear. Just remember, currently the recession fear is the only reason why the markets are being so volatile, and over time it's obviously going to be getting a little bit better, but it's going to be very dependent on what you believe. That's going to be the thing, because if you decide to buy right now when the fear is extremely high, there could be a chance that we might see another strong pullback. But if the market starts making a recovery, this could be a perfect opportunity. The best thing to do is always DCA, which is just buy it at a lower price so you can bring down your cost. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe. Everything I said today is just my personal opinion. If you guys are going to be putting your money into anything, make sure you do your own research. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.